Hi guys, welcome back to my channel shuhur.azizuddin. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do share and subscribe this video because this video is about the tutorial of Shotcut. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your video fast forward or slow motion. So as you can see, this is the screensaver of the Shotcut. So we just click it to the playlist, drag the video inside the playlist, and then drag the video to the timeline. Click the video, click properties, and you can see this is the speed of the video. So you just adjust it around. If you wanted to make it very fast, adjust it about 2. So as you can see, the video is fast like this. So if you wanted the video to be slow or in a slow motion, the default is 1. So you can make it slower 0.05. Okay, as you can see, the video is slower. You can try to adjust the video to make it slow motion. After you finish the thing, goes to export file and save. And then you have a slow motion video. So thanks for view. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you again for the next tutorial. If you have any question, do comment below and ask me. I will try and help you. Okay, see you again. Bye.